interested, already engaging, and ready to buy added straight into your account from day one. Click to play to turn on the sound. Paul Counts service has been a game changer for us. This is a must-have tool for any company that utilizes email marketing. Chase Weir. Paul's company has been very useful for Loop 7 Media, and we enthusiastically recommend it to our clients. The team at Loop 7. Yes, give me access now because I am done guessing. I want buyers. Bonus 1, 5 ways traffic system, quietly outperforms everything else $197. Bonus 2, copywriting counts 1,043 template library $97. Bonus 3, AZ email strategies, 26 email strategies $197. Bonus 4, VIP customer support, real humans 24-hour response time. $197 year. The math makes this obvious, even small conversions change everything. Now let's look at that in commissions. If you earn $25 per sale. Now let's look at that in commissions. If you earn $50 per sale. With 250 leads at 1% conversion equals 2 to 3 sales at 2% conversion equals 5 sales at 5% conversion equals 12 to 13 sales. 250 leads 1% equals $50 to $7, 52% equals $12, 55% equals $300 to $325. 250 leads 1% equals $100 to $15, 02% equals $25, 05% equals $600 to $650. With 500 leads at 1% conversion equals 5 sales at 2% conversion equals 10 sales at 5% conversion equals 25 sales. 500 leads 1% equals $12, 52% equals $25, 05% equals $625. 500 leads 1% equals $25, 02% equals $5,000 and 5% equals $1,250. With 1,000 leads at 1% conversion equals 10 sales at 2% conversion equals 20 sales at 5% conversion equals 50 sales. 1,000 leads 1% equals $25, 02% equals $5,000 and 5% equals $1,250. 1,000 leads 1% equals $5,000 and 2% equals $1,0005% equals $2,500. We supply the leads. How different would your income look if instead of starting from zero, you started with real people added to your account by the hour, not random traffic, not freebie seekers, real high-intent people who already buy? If you've been around online marketing for even a little while, you already know the truth. The money is in the list. You've heard it. You believe it. But there's just one problem. You can't get enough leads. Not consistently. And not the kind that buy. And that's where most people get stuck. Most people never get access. Hey, we're Paul Counts and Harris Fellman. Harris Fellman. Paul, an internationally recognized digital marketing expert, author, and co-founder of Marketing Counts, with over 25 years of experience in online business, starting in high school. Yes, high school, a renowned sales funnel and SEO specialist, digital course creator, and partner to major brands, focused on practical, ethical marketing strategies, and has built his reputation doing exactly what most people struggle with, getting leads, and turning them into real revenue through high converting funnels. If you don't know me, I'm Harris, a veteran digital marketer, entrepreneur, and traffic gen specialist embracing AI-driven traffic solutions. I'm also a professional comedy magician. But please don't hold that against me. We can talk about that later. Between us, we've spent decades solving one problem: turning attention into buyers. Not clicks. Not traffic spikes. Not vanity numbers. Buyers, because without buyers, nothing else matters. And we built this because we kept seeing the same thing, people stuck trying to learn their way into results, instead of starting where results actually begin. With leads that buy. This isn't theory. This isn't complicated. This is plug in and go. Gone are the days of building a list from scratch, spend months figuring out traffic, writing emails from scratch, guessing what works, because with a list titan, you start where most people struggle to get to in the first place. And that's a list of people that visited your website and want to buy what you're selling. Here's what you get. Guaranteed high intent leads. Choose from 100 to 1000 leads. Start today with real people already interested in buying. These are verified high intent leads sourced from people already engaging with your pages. Done for you funnel system. Pick from Paul Count's proven funnels. Choose from one of 10 different DFY high converting funnels. Each funnel included the finished products, sales letters, upsells, email sequences, ads, and more. Pick a proven funnel. Rightward arrow, plug it in. Rightward arrow, your live. Everything is included. Products, pages, emails, upsells, structure. Your 4 fast action bonuses free today with a list titan. 5 ways traffic system. Which paid channel to avoid entirely if your goal is list growth, and the 2 most people ignore that outperform it. 4:1. Copywriting counts. The 1043 template copywriting library, 816 pages across 3 books that writes your emails, ads, sales letters, and hooks for you, with AI prompts built into every asset so you can customize any piece in under 90 seconds. Inbuilt A/Z email marketing system. 26 email strategies, 1 for every letter of the alphabet. Know exactly what to send, when to send it, and why. Turn subscribers into buyers again and again. VIP customer support. You'll get instant answers with our knowledge base, and if you get stuck, you'll have priority support from one of our human support people with guaranteed 24-hour response time. Get started in 4 easy steps. Let's handle the big concerns right now. I've tried systems before and they didn't work, because you didn't have buyers. This fixes that. First, do I need experience? No. Everything is already done for you. Do I need to build anything? Nothing. You're stepping into a working system. Are these just random leads? No. These are high intent prospects, people already engaging and ready to buy. So here's exactly how we're doing this differently. Every lead you receive is sourced from people already interested in doing business with you. Your leads and your system access are delivered exactly as promised. And if you're not seeing traction, you're not left alone trying to figure it out. You get guidance on how to activate what you've been given and actually move forward. Because this isn't about selling you something. It's about getting you results. Yes, give me instant access before the price increases. $17.97 one time. * lead and conversion training, funnel and bonuses only. Fast action bonuses. 5 ways traffic system, normally $197, free today. Copywriting counts, normally $97, free today. AZ email marketing strategies, normally $97, free today. VIP customer support, normally $197/mo, free today. $379 one time. And to make this a complete no-brainer, you're covered by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can get inside, go through everything, plug into the system, and see how it works for yourself. If for any reason you decide it's not for you, you simply reach out to support and get your money back. No stress. No risk. You're probably wondering how this all works, so let me answer a few things up front. The moment you get access, everything is ready. There's no waiting, no setup headaches, no complicated steps. These high intent leads are people already visiting your website and guaranteed valid emails. That's the difference. You don't need experience. You don't need technical skills. You don't need to build anything from scratch. The funnels are already done. The emails are already written. The system is already structured. You can leverage this and use the leads with affiliate offers straight away. That's exactly what it's built for. And if you've tried before and it didn't work, that's not because affiliate marketing doesn't work. It's because you were missing one thing. Buyers. This solves that. Try a list Titan today risk-free. But don't miss this window. You've got 30 days to test everything. But this pricing and access, that can disappear at any time. You're stepping into something that is already built to move. Now let's be real for a second. What you're getting here is not normal. You're not just getting leads. You're getting the system those leads plug into. You're getting the messaging that converts them. You're getting the structure that turns attention into sales. And that's why this isn't going to stay available like this. The price will increase. Access to lead volumes will tighten. Bonuses will be removed. Because this is a launch window, not a permanent offer. Right now, you're getting in at the point where everything is stacked in your favor. But that doesn't last. So this really comes down to one decision. You can keep doing what you've been doing, trying to build everything from scratch, chasing traffic that doesn't convert, guessing your way through what to say and what to send, or you can step into something where the hard part is already handled. The leads are there. The system is there. The path is clear. At some point, you stop looking for more information, and you start putting yourself in a position to actually win. That's what this is. Now obviously not every lead buys, but even small percentages add up fast. Makes sense so fast. You are not starting from zero. You are not trying to scrape together random clicks. You are not hoping strangers somehow turn into buyers. You are starting with a system, a funnel ready to go, emails ready to send, and leads added to your list hourly, and a system that's built to give you not clicks. Not vanity metrics. Buyers. So the real questions is not can this work? The real question is, what happens when even 1% of the right people buy? Because at that point, this stops looking like a cost, and starts looking like one of the smartest shortcuts you could take. So go ahead, get inside a list Titan, quit chasing buyers and leads, and finally build a list that actually makes you money. But this is important, this is a launch. That means prices will increase, lead access will tighten, bonuses will be removed, this version will not stay available. So it comes down to this: you can keep trying to build everything yourself, chasing traffic, guessing what works, or you can step into a system where leads are already there, the funnel is already built, the path is already clear. Yes, give me instant access before the price increases. $17.97 one time. Asterisk lead and conversion training, funnel and bonuses only. Fast action bonuses. 5 ways traffic system, normally $197, free today. Copywriting counts, normally $97, free today. AZ email marketing strategies, normally $97, free today. VIP customer support, normally $197/mo, free today. Frequently asked questions. How fast do I get access? Immediately. The moment you complete your purchase, everything is available inside your members area. Can I use this for affiliate marketing? Yes. Whether or not they buy from your funnel, you'll still have the high intent leads on your list to present affiliate offers to them as well. Where do the leads come from? From people that visited your website, verified for accuracy, and wanting to do business with you. What if I've tried other systems before and failed? That's usually because you didn't have consistent access to leads. This solves that problem directly. How does the lead capture tool actually work? The system uses proven, high-converting capture mechanisms, the same style used by major online brands, to turn visitors into leads. Instead of you needing to build or optimize anything, everything is already set up, so when people land on your pages, their details are captured and added directly to your account. Are these leads just random emails or real buyers? No, these are high-intent leads from real people actively engaging with your pages. They're not scraped, recycled, or low-quality contacts. These are individuals who have shown interest and are far more likely to convert into buyers when you follow the system. Do I need any experience? No. Everything is designed to be simple, clear, and ready to use. How quickly can I see results? As soon as you plug in and start using the system. It's built for speed, not long setup times. Do I need to build anything? No. The funnels, emails, and structure are already done for you. Is this just another course? No. This is a complete system designed to help you take action and move forward immediately. You've got everything you need sitting right here. And you've got 30 days to test it, use it, and see it for yourself with zero risk. The only thing left is whether you decide to use it. Harris Fellman. Copyright 2026 A List Titan. All rights reserved. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and / refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products.